Okay, so this here was my old toolbox. I think I got it from Costco, I don't know, 10 years ago or something. It's a CSPS. It has 20 drawers, I believe. Two handles, it's all stainless steel. And so I went from this box to the new box. The 152-inch Husky was only, what, I have 15 drawers. So I ran out of drawers actually. I mean, even though it was longer, but this one was good. I had a nice deep one here. It's got the top part. You can put some stuff in there. But this box worked. This was man, it's still in great shape. It was just you know, a little bit small, but it had some deep drawers. But you see, technology changed a little bit. These drawers will slam and bounce back. Sometimes they don't stay closed. But now it's the garage toolbox. So let's see how it does out here. Okay, so now you've seen my old toolbox that I retired and put in the garage, and now you're gonna see me pulling my new toolbox out of the truck and unloading it. All right, new toolbox, 56-inch Husky, brand new in the box. Casters. All right, what I need help with is we have to get this underneath. Hey, see. Stop right here. What you want to do with the back ones? The back ones. I'll do these little guys. That. Well, here's the bottom toolbox, right? 56 inch. And top was loaded. It was upside down. I noticed it on the box. And you can see, I mean, this is barely any damage right here. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. But it's this part's pushed down a little bit. But then also definitely right here is definitely dented. There's a nice little dent there. And the door doesn't line up. So this whole thing got tweaked. And it's not closing all the way. And then the big thing is with the key, I can't lock it. See how the door's not, I think it's supposed to be flush. It's flush up here, not there. But the big thing is the key doesn't hit this. I don't know where it's hitting on here, but it's not hitting on a slot, and it won't lock. So this top pieces have to go back. You have to order another one. So what I'm gonna try to do is put all my tools in this bottom one. Put all the tools in the bottom one and have them order a new top. Oh well. Okay, so I went from the stainless steel toolbox, which was about like 48 inches or something like that wide, to this 52 inch, and then I upgraded the 52 to the 56 inch, which you'll see in this next picture on the right hand side. And the 56 is the one that had the top that was damaged. So what Lowe's had to do was order a whole another 56 inch toolbox. I had to wait for it. When it came in, we just swapped the tops out. So now I have a complete 56 inch toolbox, and I did swap the keys out. So one key will open the top and the bottom box. So it all worked out in the end.
No.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
You think that's going to get me some more YouTube subscribers?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.